Hey everybody, real quick video on how to format your SD card for your GoPro. Pretty simple, just turn it on. You got to get it to where you can touch screen again. Okay, and then we're going to swipe down. We're going to go to swipe right or left. We're going to do preferences, scroll all the way to the bottom, reset. All right, first one, format SD card. Piece of cake. Make sure you know it's gonna erase everything on that bad boy. So get everything off there before you do it. Just a reminder how to format your SD card. Quick, simple, and easy. And you can just go back to your home screen. Should be good to go. All right, look at that. Card is 100%. All right. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, but pretty self-explanatory, super simple. Hope you guys have a great day, okay? Take care now.